What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting tech video for you guys, and today we're solving one of summer's most annoying problems. People are coming over for the 4th of July, the burgers are ready, the drinks are cold, but your pool looks like a salad bowl. Leaves on the surface, sand on the bottom, and that gross waterline ring that nobody wants to talk about. So for the last 7 days, I've been living with this guy. This is the Beatbot Sora 70, and today we're gonna find out if a pool robot can get your pool party ready without me ever touching a net. Quick heads up, this video is sponsored by Beatbot, but as always, all of the opinions in this review are my own, so let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, so here's the thing. Most pool robots are built for one job. You buy a pool robot that hits the floor, but you're out there still skimming the leaves off the top with a net, and that's not ideal. The Sora 70's whole pitch is that it's a 4-in-1 floor, walls, waterline, and water surface in a single cordless unit. Beatbot calls it the Swiss Army knife of pool robots, which is a big claim. So I did the obvious thing. I dropped it in the pool, opened the app, and let it run every day for a week. No babysitting. Let me show you guys what actually happened and what it actually collected. Let's start with the headline feature, and this is the one that generally surprised me, and that is the surface cleaning from this bot. Most cordless robots completely ignore the top of the water. That's still your job with a net, and that's one of the most annoying cleaning tasks for a lot of pool owners. The Sora 70 uses something Beatbot calls JetPulse, 2 jets that fire converging streams of water across the surface, creating a gentle vortex that pulls floating leaves and pollen straight into the robot's mouth. Picture a tiny, very polite whirlpool doing your skimming for you. I tossed a handful of leaves and other light debris on the surface, and we filmed it up close, and yeah, it actually corrals it and pulls it into the bot. Then there's the muscle. This thing moves a brand-stated 6,800 gallons per hour through a 17-centimeter intake, driven by an 8-motor system, so it pulls fine sand off the floor and scrubs walls with precision with 230mm brushes that give it a 260mm cleaning path, a nice wide strip in a single pass. And here's what trips up a lot of robots: shallow steps. The Sora 70 will climb onto a compatible sun shelf or wide step, scrub it, turn around without any problems, no beaching itself. Beatbot specifies platforms for wide steps at least 3.3 by 3.3 feet with water deeper than 8 inches, and I did indeed test that in my own pool. You've got floors, walls, waterline, and surface, and that's the 4-in-1, and that's why this isn't just another floor cleaning robot for your pool. It's got everything in one package. Feature 2 is one that I really got into, and that's navigation. Most pool robots work like bumper cars to just kind of slam around off the sides of your pool, everything that's in the pool, and hope they kind of clean up everything eventually. But the Beatbot Sora 70 is different. The Sora 70 uses what Beatbot calls SonicSense, borrowed straight from submarines. It's got 18 sensors on board, including 2 ultrasonic ones. The plain English version here, the ultrasonic sensors send out a sound pulse and measure how long it takes to bounce back, so the robot can hear how far away a wall is before it gets there. The front sensor scans ahead, so it eases right up to the edge and cleans it properly instead of crashing into it. The bottom sensor reads the floor angle and slope, so it knows when it's smart to climb a wall and when to hang back near a step or a drain. On top of that, it runs a smart S-shaped pattern, same idea as mowing a lawn in neat rows instead of random circles, so it's not missing big patches or wasting battery going over the same spot 5 times. Even with my pool cover close to the shallow ledge in my pool, the Sora 70 never flinched. It recognized the edge of the pool cover and worked around it, and stayed on the ledge the entire time. The practical payoff for your pool and cleaning are the walls it doesn't scuff, and the fact that it never trips over itself or gets stuck, so you don't have to babysit it. Feature 3 honestly changed my routine and how I feel about pool robots in general, and it's probably the least flashiest of the Beatbot Sora 70's features. Normally the worst part of owning a pool robot is the end, fishing the heavy waterlogged brick out of the deep end with a hook. The Sora 70 has smart surface parking. When it's done, it floats itself up and it parks at the edge. Then a system called Smart Drain dumps the water out of its body, so it's incredibly lighter, and you just pick it up with one hand. No problem. The battery is a 10,000 mAh pack, huge for a cordless robot. Beatbot rates it for up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, up to 7 hours on the water surface, and coverage for pools up to 300 square meters, which is around 3,200 square feet. That's a seriously large pool. Unless you've got a hotel pool in your backyard, it's finishing the whole thing on one charge. It's also got a 6-liter debris basket, about double of a standard bot, rated to hold 800 plus leaves, so I was going days between cleanouts instead of every run, and honestly you could probably go a few weeks depending on where you live, you'd be just fine. There's also a separate ultrafine filter accessory you can buy, sold separately, that pulls particles down to 3 microns for hazy water, though I'm not testing that one in this particular video. And the Beatbot app's incredibly useful: cleaning modes, monitoring, cleaning history, maintenance alerts like the full basket ping, and calling the robot back up to the surface when you want to park it. It's not an underwater joystick, but the app doesn't need to be because this bot is really closer to set it and forget it than any other pool robots that I've used recently. So what did a full week cleaning with it actually look like? I ran it and I tested quite a few things myself. Overall, the runtime is impressive, could clean my entire pool in around 2 to 3 hours, depending on how dirty it was. The basket got incredibly full when I did a leaves and pebble test. It was able to get all the leaves and pebbles in that 3-hour time period with no problem. And overall, my pool size is probably what I would call a medium-sized pool for residential pools. So even if you have a larger pool, the Beatbot Sora 70 is going to have no problem finishing on a single charge. I'm not going to pretend that any robot is magic when it comes to cleaning, but honestly, I kind of forgot about my pool maintenance for a week, which is the entire point. There really is minimal manual maintenance that you need to do here. It pretty much takes care of everything. You empty the basket, do it all over again the next week. So who is the Beatbot Sora 70 for? The regular price is $1,499, and that's definitely not on the cheaper end, and I won't pretend that it is. However though, since this is going up during Beatbot's July campaign, the price right now might be much lower, so check the links below for the current promotion price. Here's the practical math in my opinion. It can reduce a lot of the manual work you spend cleaning your pool, especially if you're using a floor robot and still manually skimming the surface with a net. If you've got a bigger pool, especially with compatible shallow steps that trip up other cheaper bots, or you just hate using the net, it's squarely aimed at those pool owners. If you've got a tiny above ground pool at a $5 net does the job, you probably don't need this. It could be overkill. But for my pool, which like I said is around the medium end of a residential pool, I find it worth it just to forget about pool maintenance and get back to enjoying my weekends and that aforementioned 4th of July party that's coming up very, very soon. That's the Beatbot Sora 70 after a full week here using it in my residential pool, getting ready for the 4th of July. If you guys want to check one out, grab one for your next upcoming party to make sure you don't have to do any pool maintenance. Check out the pinned comment and description below for all the links. There'll also be any relevant deals, discount codes, promotional pricing, which right now during this campaign, there definitely are going to be some of those deals, so make sure you check those out. If this one helped you out, definitely smash the like button. Huge shout out to Beatbot for sponsoring this video. If you guys have any questions about the Beatbot Sora 70, if you guys want to know, my particular use case, how often I ran it each day, specific battery life numbers, all of those things, happy to chop it up with you guys in the comments. Also, if you're wondering if this is a good fit for your pool, just shoot me the size of your pool and also the shape, and I can definitely give you some feedback there as well. Appreciate you guys checking the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.